So, before this video gets started, I just want to say that what I'm going to be doing in this video is probably not the best way to go, but it needs to get done, and it's probably the only way that I can think of doing, but so this right here is a 12.5 horse Briggs & Stratton engine that came off of a 1990 Dixon Zero Turn that I parted out and got rid of. And this was going to be going my 1990 White Outdoor product, like riding lawnmower tractor. So it has like mower deck pulley for the zero turn, and it won't fit on the spot where you mount the engine. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a metal blade like this and a saw. I'm cutting it off kind of the redneck way, kind of funky. Probably not the best way to go, but we're doing it. That's what we're doing today. So yeah, I'm gonna get the saw set up and let's get going. Like, you guys do not understand how extremely difficult this is right now. I don't think, because I broke my last blade when I bought, and my dad went out and picked up a skill blade, and I don't know if it's for copper pipe, metal framing, ducts. So guys, quick update. The cutting didn't work. It just wasn't working. Then I got an idea in my head, and I was like, why don't I just cut a little, like a couple of notches in the the hole for the opening for the pulley to drop in, and just hammer it away so I can just drop everything in as is, because it really doesn't change clearance that much, and it worked. So yeah, let's show you it now. Boom! The engine is mounted to the Army mower. The rear tires need air, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I just used that, notched it, and then hammered it, and then boom, dropped it. But, I need to tighten this. But, yeah, it worked. It's in. Now, all we need to do is bolt it, and then put all this back on, get it all ready, find a place for that, get that all ready, and then we're set. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. We dropped the engine in, and, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.